Welcome back. Welcome back, children. So, here we are after a short break. That is our next chapter, that is structure of the atom. So, let's begin with what is structure of atom. So, in this chapter, these are the things which we are going to learn. That is ancient views on atomic structure, Dalton's atomic theory, structure of an atom, electrons, protons, and neutrons. Now, let's start. Ancient views on atomic structure. So, children, universe is made up of matter and energy, and anything which has mass and occupies space is called matter. And matter is divided into these are the categories: pure substances and mixtures. Pure substances are elements and compounds, which already we have done in the last module. And mixtures are kind of homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. So this is a continuation of chapter 3, which already we have done. Now, pure substances like elements, hydrogen, carbon, whatever we find in nature in its pure state. And compounds, that is, the element should be in a fixed proportion, combination. So that is called compound. Now, matter is further classified into elements, compounds, and mixtures. So, whatever we are studying, that is the study of matter, it comprises of basically all these three, that is, elements, compounds, and mixtures. Now, let's begin that from where the concept of matter has been arrived. So already we came to know that initially in our ancient, it has been said that all the matter like earth, fire in 6th century BC, Maharshi has already told this, that earth, water, fire, air or elements consisting of atoms, and those are considered to be anu or parmanu in Hindi. Atom is indestructible, indivisible, and does not possess magnitude. So, atom is what? Which cannot be destroyed. It is indestructible or indivisible also. It cannot be seen. Each element has its own class of atoms with particular properties. All atoms are regarded spherical in shape, so that's why we consider always atoms and molecules spherical in shape as well. And then after this, it has been rectified as Democritus proposed matter is made up of atom and named the smallest indivisible particle as atom. This continued for next 2000 years. Robert Boyle gave a concise definition to element, and Lavoisier put the question of element to further questions. After this, in 19th century, Dalton set out his atomic theory, which is very popularly known as Dalton's atomic theory. So, children, basically, this part comprises that how the atomic structure, story, or the concept has been always rectified in each century by another scientist. So, earlier it was said something, later on it was rectified by somebody else. So in that category we came to know the final concepts, whatever we are studying, and every day we get a new theory and it goes on and on. This is the part of chemistry. So postulates of Dalton's atomic theory says Matter consists of tiny indivisible particles called atoms, or all elements are composed of atoms. So matter is what it is made up of, the smallest particle called atoms. Next point, atoms can neither be created nor destroyed. That is, atoms cannot be subdivided, created or destroyed. And all atoms of same elements are identical. In particular, they have same mass. Different elements have atoms with different mass. So all atoms of a given element are identical in size, mass and other properties. Atoms of different elements differ in size, mass and other properties. In the next class we will discuss that later on things, children. Have a nice day.